Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you just got your hands on a brand new iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max or even an iPhone Air, you might be wondering how to get started. In this video, I will walk you through the entire setup process step by step so you can start using your new iPhone right away. Let's dive in. First things first, let us turn on your iPhone. Simply press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. In a moment, the word Hello will show up in different languages. Just swipe up from the bottom of the screen to continue. Next, your iPhone will ask you to select your language and country or region. This helps your phone know what language to speak and what local settings to use. You can also customize the way your screen looks. You can choose from default, medium or large to adjust the size of your text and icons. Pick the one that is easiest for you to read and then tap continue. If you have another iPhone or iPad nearby, you can use Quick Start to automatically transfer your settings and data. This saves a ton of time. If not, just tap Setup without another device. Now you will need to choose the language for your keyboard and dictation. You can add more later if you need to, but for now just tap continue. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi network. Your iPhone needs to be online to complete the setup. Once connected, your phone will take a moment to activate. Just hang tight. After that, you will see a screen about privacy. This is just a heads up from Apple about how your data is handled. Tap Continue to move on. The next few steps are all about security and personalization. Let your iPhone know if this device is for you or a child. You can set up Face ID now for quick and secure unlocking. Just tap Continue. If you prefer, you can choose to set up later in settings. Now, create a strong passcode to keep your phone secure. I highly recommend not skipping this step. If you don't like the standard format, you can tap Passcode Options to see other choices. This is where you can move your apps and data from an old iPhone or Android phone. If you are starting fresh, simply select Don't transfer anything. You will now be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. If you already have an account, enter your details here. If you don't have one or can't remember your password, tap Forgot Password or Don't have an account. You can create a new Apple ID or choose to set up later in settings. The rest of the setup is about configuring a few last settings. Automatic updates. Decide if you want your iPhone to update itself automatically. iMessage and FaceTime. Tap Continue to set up these up. Location services. You can choose whether to enable this for certain apps. You can always change this later. Mobile services. If you are setting up an eSIM, you can do it here by scanning a QR code or transferring it from another device. If not, tap Setup later in settings. Screen time. This feature helps you track how much time you spend on your phone. iPhone Analytics. You can choose whether to share some data with Apple to help them improve their products. Light or dark appearance. This is where you can pick your phone's look. Choose between light, dark or auto to have it change automatically. Finally, your iPhone will show you a few of its new features like the action button and how to use emergency SOS. Take a moment to learn these cool new tricks. And that's it. You have successfully set up your new iPhone 17 Pro. Now you can swipe up and start exploring your awesome new device. I hope this guide made setting up your iPhone easy and stress-free. If you found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.